Good morning. We are back. Good Friday morning. Welcome back to another Faith Friday. Sorry, I'm a little winded right now. I just came back from a 2-mile jog just to warm up the mind, body, and soul. So now that that's all warmed up, might as well do some reading. Before I get into this, you're going to notice in these Faith Fridays as I read through the scriptures that I will be moving faster in the Old Testament in the YouTube videos and in my real life than I do in the New Testament. And the reason is not that I follow the Old Testament. It's because this is the first time I'm reading the scriptures from front to back. And many people do read or speak of the New Testament this day and age. However, I am of belief that you should know the history before you know the future or the present. And one thing, as I have been reading these scriptures, is that when Jesus speaks in the New Testament, a lot of what he reinforces is spoken in the Old Testament. And when you read the Old Testament and you listen to these prophets speak, I believe that it's Jesus speaking to these prophets in spirit. And then he came to earth to fulfill. And so, in order to understand the current ways, and I'm not talking religious here, I'm just talking about the Bible here. Religion out of it, believe what you want to believe, to each their own. However, I believe that you need to know the old before you can know the new. So with that, I'm going to continue into the New Testament today. It's going to be in John 16. I believe we did John 15 before. So let's begin. These things have I spoken unto you, that ye should not be offended. They shall put you out of the synagogues. Ye, the time cometh, that whosoever killeth you will think that he doeth God service. And these things they will do unto you, because they have not known the Father, nor me. But these things have I told you, that when the time shall come, ye may remember that I told you of them. And these things I said not unto you at the beginning, because I was with you. But now I go my way to him that sent me, and none of you asketh me, whither goest thou? But because I have said these things unto you, sorrow hath filled your heart. Nevertheless, I tell you the truth. It is expedient for you that I go away, for I go not away. For if I go not away, the Comforter, and I'm curious now of reading this word here, Comforter, is spelt with a capital C. So if anybody can inform me as to why Comforter is capitalized here and not in the C is capitalized and not in lowercase, I would be intrigued as to know your insights on that. The Comforter will not come unto you, but if I depart, I will send him unto you. So the Comforter, I believe, is the Father, is what I'm gathering here. And when he is come, he will reprove the world of sin and the righteousness and of judgment. Of sin, because they believe not on me. Of righteousness, because I go to my Father, and ye see me no more. Of judgment, because the prince of this world is judged. I have yet many things to say unto you, but ye cannot bear them now. Howbeit, when the Spirit of truth is come, he will guide you into all truth. For he shall not speak of himself, but whosoever he shall hear, that shall he speak, and he will shew the things to come. He shall glorify me, for he shall receive of mine, and shall shew it unto you. All things that the Father has of mine, therefore saith I, that he shall take of mine, and shall shew it unto you. A little while, and ye shall not see me, and again a little while ye shall see me, because I go to the Father. Then said some of the disciples among themselves, What is this that he saith unto us? A little while, and ye shall not see me, and again a little while ye shall see me, and because I go to the Father. May I say maybe the second coming of Christ? Because he says he's going to be going for a little while, and ye shall not see me. And again a little while, and ye shall see me, because I go to the Father. Interesting. And everything before then that he's speaking of, it's curious to me that the people that are reading of the scriptures are the ones that see what's coming, but the people that don't read the scriptures are ignorant to the things happening in the world. They said, therefore, what is this that he saith, a little while? We cannot tell what he saith. Now Jesus knew that they were desirous to ask him, and said unto them, Do ye inquire among yourselves of what I said, a little while? And ye shall not see me, and again a little while, and ye shall see me. Verily, verily, I say unto you, that ye shall weep and lament, but the world shall rejoice, and ye shall be sorrowful, but your sorrow shall be turned into joy. A woman, when she is in travail, has sorrow, because her hour is come. But as soon as she is delivered of the son, she remembereth no more the anguish, for the joy that a man is born into the world. That's deep. And ye now, therefore, have sorrow, but I will see you again, and your heart shall rejoice, and your joy no man taketh from you. And in the day ye shall ask me nothing. Verily, verily, I say unto you, whatsoever ye shall ask the Father in my name, he will give it you. Hitherto have ye asked nothing in my name. Ask, and ye shall receive, that your joy may be fulfilled. These things have I spoken unto you in Proverbs. But the time cometh when I shall no more speak unto you in Proverbs, or Proverbs, depending on how you say it. Kimberly will tell you she's an English major. But I shall shew you plainly of the Father. At that day ye shall ask in my name, and I say unto you, that I will pray the Father for you. For the Father himself loveth you, because ye have loved me, and have believed that I came out from God. I come forth from the Father, and am come into the world again. I leave the world, and go to the Father. His disciples said unto him, Lo now, speakest thou plainly, and speakest no proverb, whatever. Now, are we sure that thou knowest all things, and needest not that any man should ask thee? By this we believe that thou camest forth from God. Jesus answered them, Do ye now believe? Behold, the hour cometh, it is now cometh, that ye shall be scattered, every man to his own, and shall leave me alone. And I am not alone, because the Father is with me. These things I have spoken unto you, that in me ye might have peace. In the world ye shall have tribulations, but be of good cheer, I have overcome the world. It's an interesting read. It's deep. What is that saying to you? Take a second. Think about it. Ingest it. And let the Father and Jesus Christ be with you. Have a blessed Friday.